boron tribromide is stronger acid than boron trifluoride. Explain. We know that boron halides are electron deficient species. Like boron has empty p orbital. Boron has empty p orbital, and the halogens with which they are connected have lone pairs in the p orbital itself. So they donate it to boron, and due to pi bond p pi back bonding takes place here, because it donates its lone pair to boron, because it is empty empty p orbital. But as we can see in group 17, as we move down the group, in fluorine it has 2p orbital, in chlorine it has 3p orbital, and like that iodine has 5p orbital. And as we know, uh, due to increasing value of n here is 2 3, the size of p orbital goes on increasing, and due to increase in size of p orbital, what happens is back bonding, the extent of back bonding reduces. We can see the as the size of p bonding increases, the bonding between this p orbital and the empty p orbital of boron decreases. So back bonding, extent of back bonding reduces as we go down the group of group 17 boron halides. So back bonding will be more strong in boron trifluoride, and here I have shown only one fluorine with it. Actually, it has three fluorine trifluoride, and back bonding will be less in boron trichloride, and it will be least in boron triiodide. Due to that reason, uh, we can see what is Lewis acid property. Lewis acid property is to gain electrons. Means surely it will be electron deficient species, so it will be gaining electrons, and so that like the acidic strength goes on increasing. But as you can see, if due to back bonding boron is gaining electrons from the fluorine itself to which it is connected, it will get its electron. Means uh, it will not try to get electrons from other species, so acidic strength will be reduced because it is gaining electron from fluorine itself. But as the back bonding decreases down the group of group 17, the due to back bonding decreases, the bonding, the donation of lone pair from the halogens also decreases. Due to this, what happens is boron is not getting sufficient electrons from the halogens, so it will try to acquire those electrons from other species, so it will act as electron deficient species as we go from fluorine to iodine. Due to this, acidic strength of bf3 is the least, and acidic strength of bi3 is the most. So here we can see extent of back bonding decreases, so acidic strength will be increasing.